everyone. So yesterday was a busy day. Boris Johnson returns to work with a press briefing in the morning. They've announced death in service benefits for health and care workers, and also now members of the public can put questions to the daily government briefings. So all in all, a busy day. So you might have seen yesterday there was also an announcement by the Chancellor for small business loans. I think this is a fair indication that the business loan interruption scheme administered by the banks is not filling the gap financially that the government hoped it would. So yesterday the Chancellor announced a new small business loan scheme, and this is for even smaller businesses, so you can borrow from as little as £2,000 up to £50,000. It doesn't need to be secured on anything, so you're not putting your home at risk. And the government guarantees 100% of that loan, unlike the business interruption loan scheme where they're only guaranteeing 80%. Furthermore, you don't have to make any repayments in the first 12 months, and the first 12 months is also interest-free. They're looking at making it easier for small businesses to be able to access financial support. Now, this isn't available yet. Apparently applications will open on the 4th of May, and by all accounts this should be a simple online form that you can complete. I've also seen reports that as long as you can prove that your business was viable before the coronavirus crisis hit, then you should be eligible. My understanding is that a lot of companies that are applying for the business loan interruption scheme are being turned down, one through lack of bank resources, but also potentially because at this stage nobody knows what the world or the economy is going to look like after the crisis, and so they're not able to show that they're necessarily viable going forwards without a major change or some sort of restructure. So hopefully this will help a lot more people. If you're in that situation, it's probably worth checking out. Or again, if your tenants run small businesses and they're struggling, you might want to point them in the direction of this information.